This is the Wheatstone Bridge Calculator, which solves for unknown resistance in a balanced bridge circuit. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have R1 in ohms, where you enter the first known resistor value. Next is R2 in ohms for the second known resistor. Then R3 in ohms for the third known resistor. Finally, there's supply voltage in volts, where you input the voltage applied across the bridge. For our example, I'll enter 10 ohms for R1, 10 ohms for R2, 10 ohms for R3, and 10 volts for the supply voltage. After clicking Calculate Unknown Resistance, we get our results. The unknown resistance Rx equals 10,000 ohms, which makes sense because in a balanced Wheatstone bridge, when R1 over R2 equals R3 over Rx, we have equilibrium. Our bridge voltage shows 0.000 volts, confirming the bridge is perfectly balanced. When this voltage is 0, it means no current flows through the galvanometer or measuring device connected between the bridge's middle points. This calculator streamlines complex bridge calculations for precision measurements. Find the link in the description below.